Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So as most of you guys know, WONT has been pumping, okay? So obviously we're looking for that headline. We want to see what is going on, how could it have pumped so much? We're reaching new targets now, okay? We're going for that $2, then $3. So let's just get into it and just figure it out. Now, WONT up 110% since June as Shibarium approaches targets $2. Okay, so, back in the days, guys, we were below $1. And I saw a lot of fudders and a lot of these negative people. They were like, oh, it's the end of it. Oh, it's done. It's over. Blah, blah, blah. They were trying to discourage others. But guess what? Guess what? Those that invested and that dip doubled their money. Simple as that, okay? And we've barely even touched, the surface with the type of price increase that we will be going through very soon. So pay attention to this one. This is very interesting. Now, Shiba Inu ecosystem token WONT has rallied by over 100% since mid-June amid the growing excitement as the Shibarium launch approaches. WONT ShibaSwap, the governance token of the ShibaSwap DEX, is currently defying the bearish market trend. At its current value, WONT has rallied 110% since June 12th amid the budding excitement surrounding the Shiba Inu ecosystem as the Shibarium mainnet launch draws closer. Following its early peak of $2.1 on February 21st, WONT continued to plummet until it dropped to a shocking low of 0.66 on June 10th. However, the asset immediately engineered a comeback to reclaim the lost gains. WONT's rally picks up on June 12th. Despite the persistent rally, WONT could not hit the $1 mark throughout June. However, the asset closed the month at an impressive 0.9317 price. The June rally spilled into July with the asset finally breaking above the resistance at 0.98. As it reached $1 on July 3rd, at price point it had failed to recover in 3 months, the momentum continued, receiving fuel from the momentous announcement of the Shibarium launch. Satoshi Kusan, the Shiba Inu community lead, disclosed in a blog release on July 6th that Shibarium would be unveiled in August at the Blockchain Futurist Conference in Canada. The disclosure compounded the rally initiated by WONT. And then WONT up 110% since June 13th. WONT surged to a 4-month high of $1.49 on July 8th. However, resistance at the price territory displaced the asset from its lofty position following a series of highs and lows. WONT embarked on another rally today, soaring to 1.44. In its current price of 1.42, the asset is 110% up from the June 12th low of 0.67. Okay, so guys, this is very interesting. Even everything is pointing for it to go up. And as I actually said, the technical analysis may be not very clear for those that understand we have Shibarium coming out. They are just purely looking at the prices right now, but it's still indicating for it to go up. Okay, so obviously they're looking at different indicators here, and it is not always bad, just to check which direction we're heading, and it's very clear that we're going all the way up. Everybody is excited about WONT. Everybody has it on their radar. Everybody knows, how high this is going. And back in the days where if you had bought WONT when it was very cheap and you had all these negative people, or you even might have felt negative at some point or a bit low, guys, everything has changed, okay? We're back on that psychological good energy, and we are expecting a lot from it, okay? And I can tell you right now, WONT will have the craziest utility. If WONT without a utility can reach $3, okay, $3 it actually did reach 2021. I know there was a bull run, but still, It reached $3 with no utility whatsoever. It's nothing for it to go past $2. Nothing means nothing, okay? Means easily could go past it. I mean, I know some of you are expecting it to go to like $10 right now pre-Shibarium. Well, that is very complicated because it still doesn't have a utility. We're just testing. We're in phases, okay? But we're in that bridge phase, the last test. It's going very well. It's coping with large volumes, and it is going to be a complete game changer for the whole crypto space. You know how many projects are waiting to build on Shibarium. Do you realize that the moment Shibarium is released, it is announced, projects are going to be fighting each other to get hold of Bone? So it is going to be like, you know, that limited edition brand, or I don't know, collectible that just came out and everybody is fighting to just grab it, okay? Or like some sold out concert where anybody and everybody is just going crazy to have a ticket. That's what is going to happen with Bone. And guess what is going to happen as well is the price is going to get triggered, because, you know, the economics behind it, the type of demand compared to the type of supply will obviously trigger a price increase. Of course, you know, it is normal. It's all part of the process, okay? This was the plan from the start. Undoubtedly, as I've said many times, the type of demand that we are going to be seeing is there, and it is going to happen. But it is now up to developers to announce the big development, okay? The big release that everybody wanted, everybody deserves, and everybody will get. This is life-changing money, okay? Life-changing money. This is the ability for you to reinvest and put it into other projects, or to retire earlier, to buy things that you want in your lives. But guys, the type of returns that we're seeing here is 100x, 200x, 300x. These are crazy returns in a matter of, you know, weeks. You know, some of you have your money sitting there in banks and could barely generate 1% on it, okay? And here you are predicted and expected to be making like 100x. That's a pretty crazy return, okay? What is the risk? Some of you may say, well, it's more risky. Guys, of course there's always a risk in everything in life. I mean, you just walking outside your house is already a risk. You could get run over. But you gotta live, and you gotta take some chances. And this is just, you know, the most calculated and lowered risk there is as of now. I can't think of anything else. This is really crazy, and the type of short-term, you know, returns that you're gonna achieve. It's insane. And I love what I'm seeing. I love it because I love the fact that, you know, there's more interest in it, more demand every single day. Everybody's talking about it. Everybody has it pretty much, you know, on their radar, and everybody's ready. They're ready to, you know, get the go ahead, and they're just going to be going crazy with Bone. Everybody's going to be loading up on it. So you can just imagine Shibarium gets announced, and then it goes $2, $3, $4, $5. Everybody's going to try to catch the wave, especially the big project, because they need it to first come out, and then they're going to load up on Bone. And the types of you know, amounts they're going to be loading up on is no joke. Okay, it's no joke. We're talking about hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of Bone. So you better do the maths, and you figure out that we only have a small supply here of only 230 million. Okay, the other 20 million put to the side. So calculate everything in your head, make it work, and you will see how logical everything is here. So as of now, guys, if you have any thoughts in regards to Bone surging, in regards to, you know, us recovering completely from the dip, and to the fact that, you know, we have different types of news coming out, so that could that be leading to a Bone increase in price? Let us know down below. How are you feeling? How much are you holding? How much are you expecting? What are you going to be doing? All that valuable information does matter. And as usual, guys, don't forget to hit that notifications bell, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.